What is going on, guys? Good morning. How's everyone? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Put some ones in the chat if you can hear me. Good morning. Alicia, Chriselle, good morning. Shakir, what's up? David, Victoria, what's up? Kadriana, good morning. Alexandria, what's up? You guys can hear me? Crystal clear? Clarence, good morning. Joey, good morning. Marlene, good morning. Diamond, good morning. Good morning. Everyone, good morning. Gerald, good morning. Amanda, good morning. Loud and clear. What's up, Marlene? Thank you. CT, what's up? How are you? How are you guys? Mike, what's up, my guy? How are you? Let's see. Okay. Good morning, everybody. All right. So I'm just going to give it like 2 more minutes, let people get in here. All right. What's up? What's up, guys? So what I want to do, right, is kind of go over what happened today. And not only just today, but for the week. And I really want to show you guys some stuff. Okay. And I really want to, I'm going to be doing the masterclass, guys, tomorrow or Sunday, whatever my students want to pick, whatever you guys want. So it could be Saturday night or Sunday night, but I'm going to do a masterclass for you guys this week. So I'm thinking Sunday night, I'm going to have you guys vote, and whatever you guys want to do or when you guys want to do it. But either by Saturday night or Sunday night, I'm going to make the poll and you guys can vote. All right. So good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Thank you guys for hopping on. Please make sure to subscribe. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are subscribed. All right. So let's go over what happened today. What's up, Jamal? What's up, man? Glad to see you, my brother. All right. So check this out, right? The moves that I caught today was this really, really nice Nas buy. As you guys know, I love Nas. Nas is Bay. Okay. And I caught, well, not this whole move, but basically this caught it for like, I don't know, 50, 60 points, something like that. Right. And then I also caught this gold sell-off earlier today as well, too. And even though I'm not really a gold trader today, those are my main trades. And this was, again, roughly around 6, 7 o'clock. I was trading very early today. right? Got up really early, started to looked at the charts and saw gold was going to drop, right? And then waited later and caught the Nas buy up around 9:30. Really, really, really smooth move. So, I'm just trying to show you guys that every day there's moves in the market, right? Every day you're gonna find something. Even AU was a good buy. You could have been buying AU around 9:30. That was another clean move. I didn't get in it, but another clean move as it hit my resistance level that I already had drawn here, or my support level here, for a clean 20, 30 pips, right? So even if you're just a currency trader, you can still milk daily profits out of the market. Okay. Now, the biggest thing that I want to teach you guys is your trade plan and your routine for trading. Because what I realize is that it's not so much about how accurate are your strategy itself, but your routine. What is your routine like when you trade? It is very, very, very important. And until you dial into that, like, I mean, really, really well, to the point where it's like an automated thing for you, just like how you wake up and brush your teeth, your trade routine has to be perfected. Okay. If you're doing something every day, every week, and you're trading different pairs at different times, different asset classes, you're managing it different. One day you do it this way, next time you do it, there's no way you're going to get consistent. No way. All right. So I wanted to kind of just go over what happened today, the moves, right? And then I want to kind of go over the week, what happened for the week, right? So we can kind of see what happened. And I wanted to answer some questions on anything that happened today or this week in the market for you guys. Because this week was a relatively great week of trading. It was very, very easy moves. So if you lost today, then I want to see exactly what you guys did wrong. And if you are part of TTA, right, and you're part of Maximize Elite Mentorship for the next 6 months, literally Saturday night or Sunday night, I'll be working with the students, and I'm going to be teaching a class, but I'm also going to help you guys go over what you're messing up on. Okay. I need to spend some time with you guys and figure out what you're messing up on so that we can fix it. Let me see. Good morning. No problem, Alexandria. Jamal said, do you have a link for the 20 pips and dip? Jamal, no, that is no longer available, my friend. I'm sorry. It is no longer, the 20 pip and dip is not available. It is not, man. Max has kind of stopped that. And honestly, you don't really need it unless you are, I would say, a beginner and need kind of training wheels in the market. The 20 pip and dip indicator is great, but you don't necessarily need it. But can you have it added for Confluence? For sure. So that's why I said it's really good for beginners, people who really need to kind of have some like a template to kind of help them look at the market. But it's definitely not needed once you understand what you're doing. Okay. So let's just go over what happened today really quick, guys. Right. So all right, let me ask you guys some questions. I should bust out the soundboard today. Should I bust out the soundboard today? It's a Friday. Are y'all feeling soundboardy today? Should I bust it out? Maybe I should bust it out. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I should. I don't know. I haven't busted out in a while. And we can make this an interactive session today. Yes, no. Shakir said I can't find trading. I can't find your trading plan masterclass since the 2.0 started. Okay. Shakir, post that in the group, in the Telegram group, so I don't forget. Post it in the Telegram group so I don't forget. And once I get off the session, I'm gonna find it so I can post it. Y'all said go ahead. Okay. All right. Y'all giving me the go ahead. Okay. Cool. All right. All right. Cool. All right. So Here we go. Let me see here. What we're gonna do. What we're gonna do today. All right. So, oh wow, we have a lot of people on here today. What's up, family? Y'all really came out today. This was a last minute thing. What's up, y'all? All right. So check this out. What is the first thing that y'all should have did today? All right. I want you to put in the chat. Talk to me. All right. Talk to me today. All right. What is the first thing that you do on a Friday before you even take a trade? What's the first thing that you should be doing? I want you guys put in the chat. Let me see. Let me see if you guys are on your toes today. All right. And I'm gonna show you the method to slaughter these markets every day. Oh goodness. Oh yeah. Okay, news. Pray. All right, I was going to say pray then news. All right. Okay, cool. All right, I like it. The news. Check trading plan. Chriselle. All right, I like that. All right, cool. All right. Y'all doing a good job today. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. All right, let me see. David said pray. Stephanie said check news. Legacy said news and TDA. I like that. Lady T, what's up, Lady T? She said check news, then coffee. Okay, I like that. Coffee, okay. I'm not mad at you. Terry said check trading plan. I like right. All correct. A lot of you guys said news. That's correct. All right. Okay. So all of you guys are correct, right? And if you paid attention today, what did we have, y'all? What did we have today? Put it in chat. What did we have today? Let me see. What did we have today? Someone put it in the chat. What did we have today? If you paid attention, I'm just gonna wait for y'all. I'm waiting for someone to say it. Thank you, Marlene. Marlene said 10 a.m. news. Okay. Okay. Correct, right? So we had 10 a.m. news, and that was a catalyst for a lot of movement, right? So if you are a trader, right, then what is the time that you should show up at the charts if there's news at 10 o'clock? If there's news at 10 o'clock, when should you be at the charts? That's a good question, ain't it? I'm gonna wait. Do I got to put the millionaire music on? Because y'all taking too long. Y'all taking too long to answer my question. I'm waiting. All right. 9:30, 8 o'clock, 9:30. Okay, cool. All right. All right. Exactly. Everyone got it, right? Everyone got it. So you don't want to show up at the charts at 10 o'clock. That's the point. If news is at 10, you should not be looking at the charts at 10. Can everyone agree? Yes or yes? Okay. Yes or yes. So that is the key, right? Understanding that there's news at 10. So you need to be in the charts before then. Okay. Now, me personally, I like to at least show up an hour before. Um, that's just me. Also, there's the NAS open, the stock market open at 9:30. So you should be looking at charts anyway. Right. But here's my thing. If there's news today that you're gonna have movement today. Right. So there's no reason that you should be scared of the market on a Friday because there's going to be movement today. All right. So let me show you guys, right? The dollar is overall what, guys? What is the overall dollar? So let's go to like the 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Okay, on the dollar. 9 o'clock on the dollar. 9/9/15 on the 15-minute chart. But what is the overall trend on the dollar, guys? What is the overall trend? I'm gonna delete kind of my other, right? It's pretty easy to see here. Put in the chat. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Exactly. Correct. Correct. Right? Bearish. We know that is overall bearish. Okay. So for me, what I like to, here's a little trick that I do. All right. Here's a little trick that I do. I go to the line chart. All right. And I'll go to like a smaller time frame and I'll start to bracket out zones here. Okay. Based off the smaller level zones. So I'm going to switch up the color of these, you know, because these are my smaller level zones. Like this is my big one here, my bigger resistance, which is right here. These are like my smaller level resistance level, which I would make like on the 15-minute or 30-minute, something that's like an intraday level, right? So I got these levels here. And then here comes, let's see, right? Here we go. Here's the market. Boom. Now here's like 10:15 or 10 or 9:30. I'm sorry, I said 10:15. Here's like 9:30, right? Here's the look, boom, 9:30, 10 o'clock. Look at the dollar dropping, 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 drop. Okay, boom. That's the move for the day. That's the move from here to here. Boom, you're done. Now, during that time, what could you have done? AUD USD. AUD USD. Look, perfect buy. Perfect buy. Okay. Again, if you're in TTA, right, you like there's a whole other a list of confluences and things that we teach you that will give you more confluence as to why to buy this. But that's one of the biggest things, right? The dollar dropped really nice. That pushed AU up. Boom. Okay. Easy. Easy. It also pushed NAS up, which I bought NAS. Easy move. Easy buy for NAS today. 60, 70 point move. No reason if you're a NAS trader that you missed this NAS buy. There's no way. There's no way you missed it. Unless you're just not paying attention, sir. Okay. And then there was obviously other things you could have done, right? There's obviously like you could have sold UJ. UJ was a huge sell-off for maybe 50, 60 pips. Could have easily cost something like that, right? That also wasn't a bad move. UJ is also super, super bearish. If you look at it, look how bearish UJ is. My God. Oh, this is the daily. This is the daily, guys. Hold on. Let me see. This is the daily chart on UJ. Okay, this is nuts. I feel like UJ is going to tank. Look at this. Look at this. It looks like the Bitcoin chart. Okay. You know, Bitcoin hit 60,000 and then start to tank. Yeah, UJ is doing the same exact thing. All right. So we have a lot of bearishness on UJ. So there's, again, guys, there's no reason why you shouldn't have made money today. If you didn't make money, it's because you're messing up your entries. You're not understanding the market. But every single day today, there was ample opportunity. Ample opportunity. Okay. Ample opportunity. Y'all caught UJ? Y'all caught UJ, right? I mean, come on. How could you not catch it? What are you doing? It's like you had to catch something today. UJ sell, AU buy, NAS buy. Like what are you doing? You could have caught the gold buy. What are you doing? What are you doing? So get your ish together. This is the, listen, if you're not consistently winning your trades, this is what you need to do. Okay. This is what you need. I'm going to show you real quick. All right, because a lot of y'all keep hitting me up in the inbox, and I'm trying to help you out. Okay, I'm trying to help you out. Let me see here. Let's see. All right, you need to go to the Trade Authority. Okay, the link is in the description below, and I'm also gonna post it because for those who don't know, there is a January promotion only for January, and I'm saying this before I go back to I'm gonna finish going over the charts really quick, guys. But just for all those people who are messaging me, I see in the chat right now, they're asking a bunch of questions. Let me answer that right now. What you need to do is go to the description, read everything that we have here, and you need to sign up for either the 6-month or the 3-month package of mentorship between me and Max. Okay. We have an over 60 to 70% discount only for January for the New Year's. A lot of you guys have been messaging us because obviously our prices are usually very high. And this is the last time it will ever be this cheap. There's no way that you're going to get us this cheap ever again. I'm not even going to be teaching after the summer this year, guys. So if you want mentorship from Ryan, listen, it ends summer this year. This is the last time I'm doing online mentorship. So it's going to just be the people who have already paid. I'm just working with them. That's it. I'm not taking any new students. No, I'm not. I'm not doing live trade sessions. No, I'm not doing it. Okay. And the reason is because I'm going into a different territory with my trading. All right. I'm going to different levels at this point, and I don't need to teach anymore. Okay. I don't want to teach, honestly. It's more of a want thing. I can teach, but it's very taxing, guys, as you guys know. All right. I can make a lot more money actually just trading my own accounts privately by myself than actually doing it live. So that's just what it is. And we know that as educators, as teachers, but we still want to pour it into you guys. So here you go, right? For 6 months, instead of $1,200, as you guys see here, it's going to be $500. All right, let me see. So when you click it, all right, when you click it, this is what you see here. All right. This is what you're going to see in your checkout. Instead of $1,200, you're getting $700 off. It's going to be $499 one-time payment. This is not monthly, nothing. Trust and believe. I want you guys to put in the chat. And I have a lot of students in the chat. Is the $499 for 6 months with Max and Ryan live trading, signals, masterclasses, private one-on-one consultations coming up next week, all the other things that we're doing, is it worth it? Yes or not? Yes or no? Put in the chat, y'all. Yes or no? Is it worth it to accelerate your trading as far as profitability, your knowledge, how to get in and out the markets? Is it worth it? I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait for y'all. I want to see what y'all think. Don't take it from me. let me see what y'all are saying. I'm gonna wait. Is it worth it? Okay. Yeah, he said hell yeah. Marley said well worth it. Alicia said absolutely worth it. Cheryl said worth the sacrifice, because that's what it is. For some of y'all, it's going to be a sacrifice. $500 isn't easy to come by for most of us. I understand. I was in that position, guys, where I had to work, a job, kids, family, and learn how to trade. You think I didn't have to go through that? Trust me, I did. And there were times when I had to sacrifice and scrape up thousands of dollars. I'm talking $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to get mentorship, and it didn't work out for me. But I still made the sacrifice trying to get the knowledge and investing into myself. And I'm telling you, if you want it that bad enough, you're going to make the sacrifice, right? So I don't want to hear about, hey, I don't have it, Ryan. Your mentorship is too much. We're making it dirt cheap for you for the month of January. After January, prices are going up. All right. If you want, if you want to pay $200, $300, $400 a month, sure. Wait until after January. As far as right now, we have everything 60 to 70% off, guys. Just for you, just to make sure that everyone wins with us. All right. And I'm letting y'all know that this is the last time we're going to do this. We are not doing anything like this ever again. The only time you're ever going to get me or Max training you is really going to be a live event type of thing. Okay. So I'm letting y'all know, right? You can get the 6 months for $4.99, or you can get 3 months. Just give us 90 days. If you don't really believe in trading or believe in what we do, give it 90 days. 90 days, okay? And if you click the 90 days and open the screen for that, let me see here. You'll see that it is right here. Instead of $600 for 3 months, it is $249. Very affordable. Okay, for 90 days. All right, I'm letting you know that there's students who make hundreds to thousands of dollars every single day with us. A day. Hundreds a day, thousands a day. Okay. People are profiting and learning every single day, every single week with us. So this is a drop in the bucket. I want you to think about how many blown accounts you had, how many mentors you went to, how many MLMs you joined, how many groups and EAs, and all that. Is $250 a lot of money to really get at least 3 good months of what we're trying to give you guys, which is live sessions, signals, trainings, master classes, intimate setting where you can really ask questions, learn, Q&A sessions, study groups, all that every single week. It's on you, my friend. All right, it's on you. I'm saying it's the last time. So don't ask me. After June 30th, Ryan, can you mentor me? No, sir, Bob. All right. But anyway, guys, back to the charts. Just wanted to give you guys that really quick because a lot of you guys are just hopping in asking mad questions. And I just want you guys to know it's very easy. All you got to do is go to thetradeauthority.com and sign up ASAP. If you have any questions, you can let me see, email us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. Okay, so let me type that up in case you have a question about anything. All right. All right. So this is the email. Right. So if you guys have any questions for whatever reason, thetradeauthority@gmail.com, ask us questions. Right. But if you're ready to sign up, make sure you sign up this month ASAP. Okay. 6 months, $4.99, 3 months, $249. I'm not going to say it again. All right. Back to the charts now. You guys. All right. Tap said, did you catch AU? Of course we call AU. Let's go back to the charts now, y'all. All right, let's go back to the charts now. I want to look at charts. All right, let's go back to the charts. Of course we call AU, bro. How could you not catch the AU buy? The AU buy was so solid today. It was too easy. I mean, you could have sold it around 4 or 5 o'clock, but I actually sold gold instead of selling AU. So I caught that sell on gold for like 50 pips, 50, 60 pips. But yeah. So there's a lot of confluences that you're going to need to actually become profitable every single day, guys. And it's going to start with your routine. And so this is something I'm going to go into heavily this weekend with the private students. Again, make sure you're in so you can get access to the master classes and all the trainings that we're going to do weekly as well on top of the live trade sessions. All right, I'm letting you guys know. All right, that we're going above and beyond for everyone who rocks with us. All right, because it's the last time that you're really going to get us consistently for the next couple months. This is the last time. So, and we know that this is super affordable for everybody. $4.99 for 6 months is super. That's under $100 a month. It's like $80 a month or something. Super affordable. So you can do it. You can do it. Everyone here can do it. Everyone here is smart enough, intelligent enough, can do this. I'm no smarter than any one of you guys. All right. So some of you guys have saw one of my private students, she did 3K to 10K in this week. All right. With less than 20% drawdown. So she did 250% return with less than 20% drawdown. And that's because she's been trading with me privately for a while now. So she kind of really knows exactly how I trade, what I do. And obviously that's what I'm be teaching you guys. So I'm just saying, right? Do you think 499 or 249 is worth learning how to turn 3K into 10K in a week with 20% drawdown? Again, the drawdown is very important, right? If you turn 3K to 10K, but with 70% drawdown, that's trash. If you turn 3K to 10K with 20% drawdown, though, that's amazing. You're essentially doing 1%. You're risking 1% for 10% gain because you're basically 10xing your account. Your drawdown to gain ratio is 1 to 10. Okay, which is nuts. But that's regular. You can do it. I can do it. Everyone can do it. Everyone here can do it. It's just if you believe enough, if you work hard enough, if you're diligent enough on improving yourself. And that's what trading is, guys. It's really learning how to improve on yourself. The reason that you're not consistent, you're not withdrawing, is because you're not improving on yourself. Stop trying to improve on your trading. That's a major key. I'm going to drop bars today. Some of y'all are not listening. Some of y'all are not listening, man. And that's what's holding you to the next level. Okay. You need to stop worrying about trading, the strategy, and worry about improving on yourself. Ryan, what do you mean improving on yourself? Simple stuff. Trading plan. The pairs that you trade. Right? Are you consistent with the pairs that you're trading every week? Yes or no? Are you consistent with the times that you're trading? Yes or no? Are you consistent with the sessions that you're trading? Yes or no? Are you consistent with your trade management? Yes or no? Are you showing up on time for the charts? That, again, that was a problem for me at one point in my career. Sometimes I would show up at 8 o'clock. Sometimes I show up at 9 o'clock. Sometimes I show up at 9:30. Just all over the place with my trade times, right? So a lot of things that has nothing to do with trading itself, you can mitigate by literally creating a structured routine for yourself. And just that alone will eliminate a lot of your freaking problems, a lot of them that you're struggling with. But you have to take that time to actually figure it out. And sometimes you can't do it by yourself. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. And that's why I'm going over this weekend for my private students, right? But this is what you essentially have to do. All right. Trading is a mirror, guys. I need you to understand this. Trading is a mirror. It's only going to reflect what you put into it. You're looking at yourself. If you're blowing accounts, it is your fault. It is no one else's fault. It is not the market's fault. It is your fault. If you are not consistent, it is not your mentor. It is not the strategy. It is your fault. Okay? You have to take 100% accountability every single day. Even if it is your mentor's fault, who cares? If I had the freaking, I would say, mindset that, oh, my mentor this, my mentor that, oh man, they're the reason I'm not successful, I would not be talking to you here today because I'm letting you know I've had a bunch of mentors and they all sucked. 99.99999% of them all sucked. Okay? No shade to them. I'm not going to say any names. Paid them thousands and thousands of dollars and they sucked. Okay? That's the game. Listen, that happens. Some of y'all go to school, pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, and don't use your degree. That's life. That is life. Okay? So just because you're in a situation right? That you can't control at times, right? You can't control how good your mentor or your group is, but you know what you can control? You can always control you. You can always control what you're doing. So as long as you're doing the best thing for you and trying to get better for you, optimizing yourself, which will then by default optimize your trading, you're going to get better. So some of y'all really need to understand that, right? If you're losing, you can't blame anyone else but yourself. You have to take extreme accountability for everything. There is no, oh, I took a signal, I lost, oh, it's his fault or her fault. Uh, no, it's your fault. I need you to have that mentality this season in 2023. Take that type of mentality, and I promise you, your trading's going to go extremely far. Okay? Because now you are in control, you're in the driver's seat. Trust me, the markets are here to stay. The markets are not going anywhere. The big moves that happen, they're going to happen tomorrow. They're going to happen next week. They're going to happen next year. Trust me. I've been trading for 8 years. Nothing is new under the sun. Everything that's happening now has happened last year, has happened the year before, and guess what? It happened the year before that too. So trust me and believe. It doesn't matter what you think is going to happen tomorrow. It doesn't matter if you think, oh, I'm missing the big moves, and no, you're not. You're not. It's all mental. Again, controlling yourself, controlling your emotions, and that's where a lot of you guys are struggling right now. And so, what you have to do, right, is now create stability in an unstable environment. That's what trading is, guys. Trading is an unstable environment. Do y'all really understand and listen to me? It's unstable. What I mean by that is you can't control what the market's going to do. I can't control. I don't know if NAS is going to go up or down today. I have a high probability, right? I bought NAS today and it won, but it's still just at the very root of what trading is. It is a guess. It is probabilities and figuring out, okay, the likelihood of NAS going up is very high, but does it mean that it's going to go up? No. But the probability and likelihood is really high. So all you're doing as a trader at the very root and core is you're taking really good guesses and estimates on the market with good probabilities. That's it. The probability of NAS winning for me is like a 90%. Does that mean I'm 100% accurate? No. Does that mean I can lose sometimes? Yes. But I know running numbers and running my trade plan that it doesn't matter if I take losses here and there because the wins are going to eat up my losses every single time. So over a long period of time, I will be profitable every single month, every single week. If I have a bad losing trade for a day, which sometimes happens, hey, that happens, right? But you usually don't have a losing week. But even if you have a losing week, that's okay. You're usually not going to have a losing month. Trust and believe that. If you're actually analyzing the market properly. Okay? So again, it all starts with the root of what trading is. It's an unstable environment and you have to create the stability within yourself. Do y'all understand? Because the markets are going to do what it wants to do. You're trying to force stabilization on a market that doesn't have that. So the only way that you can create, think about it, stable, consistent profits is if you create that stability within yourself, within your trading, and that gives you a way to navigate the oceans of the market, let's say, right? You can now set your ship and sail across to profit land. Okay. But that's really what it is. And so the biggest thing for me when I sit down and I really analyze and assess my trading from year to year to year one of the biggest growths for me as a trader, and once you understand this, I promise you're going to level up, is you need to create a stable routine for yourself and create that control within yourself, because the markets are naturally unstable, right? But if you can do that within yourself, I promise you that the markets are going to be nothing to you. You know, you're going to kill the market every single day because you understand yourself, and you can't victim blame. You can't say, "Oh, I messed, oh, the market got me. Oh, the market maker stopped me out." And that's all bullcrap. Okay? No one is out to get you. It's just understanding the market. The market ain't out to get you and your little $10 account. The market ain't trying to get your little 2-lot trade, okay? The market is trying to get hundreds of millions of dollars out of people before making a move. And once you understand that, you'll have a better understanding of the market, right? So it's not like the market's out to get you, okay? No one cares about you, all right? And I used to think that too. Oh man, the market maker got me. Who cares? All right? Who cares? Did you win or did you lose? All right. And I want you guys to really assess your trading this week, because if you did not have a profitable week, I want you to think about, okay, what did you do wrong? Right. And if you want to, you can put it in the chat right now. Like, what did you do wrong? Right? What made you divert from your trading plan? What made you take a losing trade? Right? And these are things you have to assess every single week. Okay? Every single week. So you have to figure out what you're doing wrong. And then next week, okay, I'm not going to do that. And that is how you get better as a trader. You have to figure out how you're losing, find the common denominators, and then eliminate that. Trade next week without whatever you were doing wrong the previous week. And that is how you create your perfect trade plan, because everyone here is different. My trade plan is not ideal for everyone here. Okay, let me see what the chat is saying. Let me see, because I know I was kind of going on a tangent here. Shakira said, "Tell me more about the student turning 3K into 10K in a week. You're saying you've done this by having a more stable routine for yourself, so that control over yourself." Okay, yeah, I will tell you guys about that, Shakir. Jamal said, "And patience and greed that killed him." Okay, got you. Cheryl said you need a structured routine. Sure, we're going over that this weekend. It'll probably be Sunday night, because it's probably going to be Sunday night. I'm thinking I want to do a Saturday night or Sunday night, whatever my students decide. I'm going to post it, whatever you guys want, whichever day is better for you guys. Over leverage, Joey. Again, the over leverage stuff happens when the trade plan isn't set right, and I'm gonna help you guys fix that. I promise you, I'm gonna fix that for most of you. Marlene said, "Definitely not sticking to the plan will hurt you for sure." Of course it does. Of course it does. Every day I have a goal. Every day I have a target. Okay, what am I trying to do? How much money am I trying to make? What percentage am I trying to make? Every day. Okay? Like, it has to be that intricate. Okay? Like, let me explain to you guys like this. Some of you are treating trading like a hobby, but you want full-time income, right? You want 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, whatever. But you're still treating it like it's a lemonade stand on your block, okay? Like, you're treating it like it's some little business that's only going to make you 50, 100 or $100 a day, and you're going to be okay and maintain. And, oh, I'm just going to make a little extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month. I mean, honestly, anyone on this call should not be aiming to make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month with trading. I'm not saying that's not a good starting point, because if you're making $0, then making 1,000 to 2,000 a month is a good starting point. But what I am saying as well too is that that should not be your finish line. Like, I don't think anyone here says, "Yeah, I just want to stop at $1,000, $2,000 a month." No, no, you don't. Right? So having that structure of, okay, what are my goals, and figuring out how to hit those goals in daily increments. Like, if your goal is $10,000 a month, let's break that down. That's $2,500 a week, which is, let's say you're trading Monday to Friday, 5 days a week. That's $500 a day. Okay, all you need is $500 a day. All right, if that's your goal. So now we have to figure out, all right, what capital do you need to make $500 a day with good risk management? That's the key. How much do you need to make $500 with good risk management? Now, here's the thing: the better trader you are, the less capital you need. Now, some people need 100K to make $500 a day. I don't need 100K. I don't even need 10K. I don't even need 5K. Okay? I don't even need a lot of money to make $500 a day. I don't. But again, I'm a very advanced trader. So depending on your level, you're going to need more capital, but you have to figure out for yourself, all right, what do you need? Because a lot of you guys are just starting under capitalized, and you're like, and wondering why you're messing up, right? So that's why we have stuff like the prop firm, why we have different other avenues to help you get capital. And I will give you guys these strategies in TTA. Again, sign up right now. All right, because I will be unleashing these strategies so you can get capital very quickly, even better than and faster than a lot of these prop firms. So if you need 50K, 100K, stuff like that accounts, I believe I have one of the best methods to do that. And so, you know, it's not hard to get the capital after you have the skill. You just have to prove that you have the skill first. So it's about getting the skill down pat, right? And you have to treat it as if it is your full-time business. A lot of y'all are treating it like a hobby, right? So everything has to be meticulously documented and written down and understood. Like, there isn't a day that I don't show up to the charts where I don't check news, where I don't have my trade plan, where I'm not trading the pairs that I know I trade every day. Like, I have everything structured out. The way I take partials, the way I trail my stop loss, the way that I enter and exit the market. Everything has order to it. And when you have that type of clarity, it's almost like a breath of fresh air, because you're like, I can do this. I can follow it. Right. It's like, a lot of you guys maybe want to get in shape, right? Like, even myself, I use myself as example. I want to like gain 20, 30 pounds of muscle. Well, you can't really do that by just going to the gym and doing random exercises, right? Like, I can go to the gym and work out good. Trust me, I know how to work out. I can work out really well. But if I don't have a structured plan, it's not going to work as well. If I have a structured plan, okay, today's leg day. Okay, tomorrow is back and biceps. Okay, boom. Then the next day, I once I have a structured plan, guess what? It is a lot easier for me to hit my goals, right? Or if I just go to the gym, it's like, I feel like doing abs today. I'll do arms today. I'm not gonna get there as fast. So again, having that plan and structure is going to help with clarity. It's going to help with focus. It's going to help you get to the place that you need to get faster. So these are all the things I'm going to be tackling this weekend with all you guys, with all my students, because it goes beyond just the actual trading itself. This is probably the biggest key and nugget I can give you guys for 2023. Honestly, if you can get this down, I promise you're going to make profits all 2023. No matter if you're intermediate, advanced, or beginner, whether you have the best strategy, you have a half decent strategy, whether you trade New York, you trade London, you trade Asian, it's not going to matter. because it boils down to these core concepts. That's what's going to boil down to your success, guys. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. Let me see. Yeah, Shakira, you have to treat it like a business if you want to get paid like it. Right. So I'm going to break down to you guys this weekend exactly everything that I do, my whole routine, my structure, how, and help you guys create that routine and structure within yourself, within your trading plan. Because everyone's different. So everyone needs kind of help in a little customized plan, kind of a tailored plan, if you will. I'm going to help you guys with that this weekend. All right. But that's the biggest thing that you need to do. And then let me go to, or let me before I go to, I was going to explain, I guess, my student results, but any questions on that before I kind of go to the next topic, guys? Any questions? Let me see in the chat. Any questions on anything I said? No? Zero? Okay, cool. So let me go to my student, right, who did 3K to 10K, right? And she's been trading with me personally for a few months now. And the reason she was able to do that is because she has completely copied my trade plan. What I mean by that, she trades when I trade, she trades the pairs that I trade, she gets the entries that I get, she gets the exits that I get. Again, because I'm trading her personally. So this is not hard, to produce with other people because she's legit just watching me trade every day. So the thing about that though is she has the benefit that a lot of people don't have, which is trading with me every day, like on a very personal level. Okay. Now I still give you guys those live sessions and type of feel, but you won't have access to me every day. All right. In myself, sometimes you have Max, sometimes you have Manny. Shout out to Manny. So you have different educators doing the live sessions. You won't have me trading with you every day, but you do have live trading every day, and we are still 90% accurate on our live sessions, no matter who the teacher is. But the point is that it does work if you just take the time to figure out your trade plan. The biggest thing with her, and she was just like a lot of you guys, failing last year, not doing really well. The difference between last year and this year wasn't really the fact that she got a magical strategy. It was the routine, sticking to 1 to 2 to 3, like her main pairs every single morning, her trade plan, and her discipline. That's it. Those were the biggest factors. I promise you. One of the biggest things is she had no routine. Okay, cool. Wake up every day, trade from this time to this time. And that would be from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Okay, let's trade 8 to 10 every day. Boom, boom, boom. Let's cash NAS every day. Boom, boom, boom. Started doing that. She started seeing consistent gains every day. Boom, boom, boom. What do you mean? It all trickles and it's like a domino effect, right? But it starts with your routine. You can't get consistent results and consistent profits if you are not consistent with yourself. Hello, somebody. Someone needs to hear it. You cannot get consistent profits if you're not consistent with yourself. Are you consistent showing up at the charts? Are you consistent with your trade management? Are you consistent with the pairs that you're trading? Are you consistent with the sessions that you're trading? Are you consistent with getting out of the market, with taking partials, with trailing your stop loss? These are all very microscopic things. But if any of you guys know this by now, a small mistake in the market is usually a big mistake in your account. You can make the simplest, dumbest mistake and lose thousands of dollars. Just like that. Everyone here knows that, right? You make some little dumb mistake, you're like, oh crap, I lost so much money. right? You lost a trade that you shouldn't have lost. Or maybe you didn't make as much money as you should have made. All because of small, careless mistakes. So you need to understand how to eliminate all of those mistakes to the best of your ability. If you have a losing trade, you have a losing trade. That's perfectly fine. I'm fine with that. What I'm not fine with is you making careless and stupid mistakes that thus lead to you losing. That's what I will not tolerate. Okay, so there's a difference. If all your parameters were hit, confluences were hit, you were doing everything you're supposed to do, and you lose a trade, okay, cool. That happens. But most of you, that's not happening. Most of you, you're losing because of the other stuff. And I need you to understand that is why you're not getting the consistency that you want. It is not the market. The market is not out to get you. It's your mind. You have to learn how to control your mind, how to control yourself, your space. Because again, like I'm telling you, the market is a very unstable environment. You have to create that stability within yourself, within your trading. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Like it's basically like you're on a ship, right? And it's rocky, it's very turbulent waters, right? Like Shakira said, like you're in the eye of the storm. It's crazy. Okay. It's dark out, there's lightning, the ship, the sails are going crazy. The captain's like, hey, I need help. Help me. And you're sitting there in the corner in monk mode, sitting, eyes closed, just, hemming and humming. All right. You have peace with yourself. Even through the turbulence, even through the chaos, you must remain stable. So a lot of things will be happening in the market, going up, down. And you have to maintain that focus no matter what, guys. That's what's the most important thing. I guarantee you, if I take everyone on this session and I have to give you one trait that will make you successful, I would tell you it's focus. Can you focus? Can you give me your focus for 2, 3, 4 hours a day? If you can give me your focus, I promise you, you will be successful. Half of y'all can't focus. Half of y'all are trading, and then after 5 seconds, you're on TikTok. Half of y'all are trading, and then 10 seconds later, you're trying to trade 3, 4, 5 different pairs at the same time. Half of y'all are trading. I can keep going, but I'm not. My point is, you need focus. Do y'all hear me? They don't hear me, Joe. They don't, Joe, they don't want me going crazy today. Jasmine said, with the 7-day intensive trainings, will there be live sessions only? Okay, so okay, Jasmine, hold on really quick, guys. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all really, really quick. Let me see here. Hold on. So, all right, I need you guys to understand, okay? If you get the 7-day intensive, which is $59, so these are pre-recorded courses, guys. So the 7-day intensive and the premium mentorship, those are all courses. Those are not live sessions. Those are not signals. These are actually courses that we already did. So like June 1st to June 25th, if you want access to all the trainings and stuff that we did for that, you can get it for $150. Okay. If you want the VIP mentorship that we did, that was over $1,200, you can get access to all those recordings for $499. But in my opinion, why pay $499 for the VIP mentorship that we did from June to July, which was really only not too long, when you can pay that $499, get 6 months with us. You get a course, a full beginner A to Z beginner to advanced course. You get the live sessions, the signals, the master classes, all that type of good stuff. So there's really no point in getting, in my opinion, the VIP mentorship. But some people wanted it, so we put it up there for those who really want it. But if you want our other intensive boot camps, and they're very cheap, $70, $79 here, $49 here. They're just, things to just learn, right? So if you just want a quick, good course that you get a bang for your buck, like, hey, I just only got $50, then yeah, definitely get the 7-day boot camp, right? Like that's definitely worth $49. Trust me. You get a lot of information for $49, right? But honestly, and truly, the best option is the 6 months with us for $499. You get the live sessions, the signals, the trainings, all that type of stuff. So just so you guys know, if you don't get the 3-month or 6-month package, any other thing that you see on the site is pre-recorded, and all you get is just the training. So it's just video form. Okay. So if you pay for like the premium mentorship, for $150, you're getting like the full course and trainings and recordings and master classes that we did for that mentorship. All right. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Just want to go over that for you guys. All right. Really quickly, because some people are in the chat, and I don't want you to buy an intensive and they're like, oh yeah, do I get access to the live sessions? No, you don't. Okay. Again, any questions, guys, you can email us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. Any questions? All right. Any problems, questions, concerns, comments, you can send there about anything that you need. Okay. So yeah, guys, I really wanted to kind of go over what has really helped me, right? More important than the method, more important than the strategy, right? You're going to have to come to some point in your career, some point in your trading career where you're like, enough is enough. Enough is enough. And when you're tired of losing, you're going to stop losing. You're going to realize, all right, I need to buckle down and I need to figure out what I need to do every day. For some of you guys, that's going to be, okay, yeah, I got to stay up for London to trade. For some of you guys, it's going to be, hey, I got to wake up a little earlier to look at charts. Whatever it is that you have to do, but you need to create some type of stability in this unstable environment. You have to be the calm in the chaos. And a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people are very emotional. A lot of people will react to what's going on around them. But if you can master focus, if you can master how to control your emotions and just stick to the play, run the play that you are creating for yourself. All right. Sometimes it's not going to be easy. Just like working out. Some days you don't feel like working out, right? Sometimes you may not feel like it. But if I tell you every day, I want you to do 100 push-ups, I don't want to hear an excuse. Oh, I didn't have time today. I was sore yesterday. My arms hurt, Ryan. I'm going to ask you, sir, was that the plan? We made a plan for you. 100 push-ups a day. Don't talk to me about why you didn't do it today. Right? That's going to be the plan. So if you have the plan for your trading that is just as good as that, right? And we have a structured plan. It's not about, then you take your emotions out. It's not about what you feel like doing. It's what you have to do. If I tell you your trade plan is, hey, listen, you're only going to trade AU and gold in the morning because that's what you're good at. And I want you to stick to that. I don't want you to trade anything else because that is your best pairs. Then that is what you do. I don't care if you see a NAS signal and, oh, NAS goes up 200 points. No one cares about that because that's not in your trade plan. You need focus. You need to figure out what pairs work for you. Everyone is different, guys. So the reason why I'm trying to drop gems and nuggets like this is because you really need to understand the difference of a good strategy and a good trader because it's different. I can give you a good strategy But without a good trader, it's null and void. It's non-existent. Do you understand? Gone. Finito. Doesn't matter. A good strategy without a good trader don't matter. Listen, as a good trader, I can have an okay strategy and still do well. That's the difference, guys. I can be a good trader with an okay strategy and do well. But if you have the best strategy in the world and you can't control it, it's essentially like getting a big Rottweiler or like a huge Dalmatian. Y'all know them big dogs, and you're like 100 pounds soaking wet. The dog essentially is going to walk you. You ain't walking the dog anymore. The dog is walking you, right? If you have a 200-pound dog, I'm gonna look at you like, why you have this 200-pound dog and you're like 100 pounds? Okay, because clearly, yeah, it doesn't matter what you say to that dog. All right, and that's how some of y'all in the market, you're letting the market walk you, right? Instead of you having control and focus and discipline and you taming the market. So that is the gems I want to give you on this beautiful Friday. Again, guys, I love you all. Hopefully this helped a little bit. Get your mind right. For everyone who's locked into TTA, we're doing a full-blown masterclass on this and a whole bunch of different things from me exclusively. Whole PowerPoint, Q&A, going to go over your trade plans, all that type of stuff this weekend. It's either going to be Saturday or Sunday night, whichever guys you want to do. And I'm very excited for that. And yeah, guys, I really appreciate everyone being on here, rocking with me. Any questions before I get out of here? Any questions, guys, before I leave? You got to, Shakir. Appreciate that, Yadi. Again, if you're not in TTA January promo, I'll just tell you, better lock in now. You better lock in now, my friend. All right. Don't private message me. Hey, Ryan, can I get in? No, just sign up or email us. We'll answer all your questions. Don't message me with, hey, Ryan, I have a question about this. I'm telling you, just email us. It's way easier. If you private DM me, I might not get back to you until like another 2-3 days. So if you have questions on anything I'm saying, just email us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. And trust me, we'll get to you. I promise you. Steph said, if I get the 3-month and want to continue, yes, you can, Steph. So you can pay, if you pay the 3-month and then you like it and then want to pay the other 3-month, of $249 again, you can do that. Melody, I am coming to Atlanta. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me where is let me promote. Let me see. Give me a second, guys. Let me get the poster here. But yes, I will be in Atlanta, guys. All right, I will be in Atlanta. So for those of you who are getting the private, listen, if you guys want to get trained by me one-on-one for hours, I don't know, it's gonna be like 8 hours. Listen, some of y'all need to be smacked up in person a little bit. It's okay. I understand. I'm that type of person. I'm a hard learner. Like, how they say a hard head makes for a soft tush? That's exactly me. All right. That's the story of my life. I'm the type of kid that, like, my mom would say, hey, don't touch the stove, you might get burned. And I'm like, well, how hot is it? Am I gonna get burned really bad? Like first degree burn or like second degree burn, Mom? Because I can like handle if it's like first degree or something, It's like, is it really bad? Like, it takes me bumping on my head a couple times for me to get it. And that's just me. And I know that's not just me, but a lot of you guys as well too. So sometimes you maybe what you do need is someone actually looking at your charts, looking at your computer, and working with you in a more private setting for the whole day. So if you think that's what you need, then definitely make sure to come to the Atlanta event. And I'm trying to find the flyer. Trying to find the flyer for it, but I forgot. I'm trying to see. Do I have it? Man, I'm looking for the flyer, guys. Joe, do you have the flyer? But for any of you guys, but it is the 28th. I don't have the flyer. Dang. Alicia said I just gave my 13-year-old this speech. I'm crying. Looking forward to meeting you too, Melody. I will see you. So, guys, the 28th. Let me see. So, look. So, check this out. Actually, I know how to get it. Hold on. All right. So here we go. All right. And I will post this in the chat as well for anyone who wants to see me in Atlanta. All right. We will be making other tour dates for February as well too. So just to let you guys know, we are going to be touring. Okay. So let me see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see it? Okay. Like, so if you want or in this area, okay, all right, you can sign up at the Elevation Agency, right? The city tour. And it's going to be the 28th. All right. So it's going to be a 2-part workshop where from 9 a.m. to like 1 a.m. we're kind of teaching the basics. So if you don't even know what Forex is, or you're really trying to get the basics and you need the beginner stuff, okay, come from 9 to 1. Then we're going to have, the really intermediate and advanced stuff from 2 to 6. So essentially you're getting like 7 hours for the whole day. We're going to have a 1-hour lunch break and everything, of course, but it's going to be a jam-packed like 7 hours. Okay. So it's a Saturday. Let me see. Yeah, Saturday the 28th. Okay. So we are going to a lot of different areas. Okay. So Atlanta, we're also going to be going to Houston, NYC, DMV, Chicago, Charlotte, Miami, Orlando, Jacksonville. Philly will also be on there too. I'm in Philly. So we're going to be doing Philly. We're going to be doing Toronto. We're also going to be doing Caribbean. So we will be touring this year as well too, which is another reason why, I won't be doing as much live trading. But this is really how you're going to be able to work with us in the future. After the mentorship, we're going to do live events and stuff like that. We're still going to work with all the students, all you guys who rock with us in the mentorship, obviously. But, this is also a way that we really feel that most people need that one-on-one, like that physical kind of teacher classroom type of feel. So that's what we're going to bring to you guys. And hopefully you come out to Atlanta on the 28th, and it'll be really dope to see you guys, if you're in the area. All right. But, trust me, we are coming to all these areas. AZ is there too, man. We will be going to AZ. West Coast, we'll probably be Vegas or Los Angeles. We haven't made a West Coast city yet. We have to see what you guys want. All right. But appreciate you guys. Like I said, if you want to rock with the tour, again, the 28th is 2 weeks away in Atlanta. You can go to the Elevation Agency. I posted it, right, .com, and you can get your ticket there. And it's very affordable. It's like $300, like $299, or no, it's 150 if you want one session. So if you want just the first session, it's 150. If you want the second session, 150. So collectively, it's $299 basically for the day. It's pretty good. It's pretty. It's man. I wish I could pay $299 for a day to get privately mentored for like 8 hours straight. It's so worth your money and time. So you're really going to see what you're doing wrong in the market and what you're doing right, what you need to do. So that's what we're doing, guys. All right. Appreciate everyone. Love you all. Any questions, message us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. You know, and if you need to message me privately, well, do it today. But if you need to be expedited, then email us. All right. Make sure you sign up, and all my private students, I will see you later this weekend for the masterclass. See you, my brother. See you, Shakir. See you, everyone. No problem, Steph. Great seeing everyone. Appreciate you guys. Love you all. See you later. Peace.